I've been too caught up to see it, baby. We can have it all if I just could get myself together.
Yo, what's up guys today?
Alright, good morning guys. So today is Sunday actually, and then now we are in Ubud. So today is Manis Kuningan, as you know that for Balinese, the day where we can go to see relatives, friends, and going out, having a good time with friends. So now we are in Ubud, and then we will see
How is the things over here? Anyway, we are next to Ubud food court. As you can see over here, at the corner is the big temple. I don't know what's the name of the street. I check on the Google map, it's very difficult. However, you guys probably know about the Ubud food court and the area and Sands Hotel at the opposite here.
but the hotel is closed.
Hotel is closed and generally not much is happening here. So yeah, we will have a walk little bit, we will see, and later we will visit the new place. It's also a new place, just at the downtown of Ubud. It's called, by the way, this place is for rent. It's called Park Q.
Yeah, we will go there.
This is very huge. I saw on Instagram, it's super huge place and it's brand new. They just opened like 2-3 weeks ago, so it's actually quite interesting. That's why we decided as we will have a look there. By the way, anyway, everything here is closed.
This road is called Jalan Sukma. Yeah, this road is called Jalan Sukma. So Ubud, in Ubud, yeah, in the center of Ubud.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm Balinese, but I can say
It's okay.
I don't see map that much. And then, as you see,
Everything is closed.
We can have it all if I just could get myself together. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget it. I'm done playing the waiting game. I'm so done. I'm all done playing the waiting game.
Well, after short walk, as you can see, 50% of businesses are closed or buildings are for rent. So if you are thinking to open something on the street, very easy to find the place. However,
yeah. So I'm just thinking about the guest house or homestays that owned by Balinese.
because like we walking here, like this one for example, this is the entrance to the local Balinese house, and the previous place was also Balinese house, but also some part of the house was transformed into guest house, so you could stay there, and was the sign as you could rent this for a month even, or for a year now. So yeah, it's very hard time for them, right?
Yeah. As you see that, yeah, I'm just thinking about how the Balinese could survive nowadays, where the homestays, guest house, warungs, restaurant seems like empty, even they are closed. And then I'll show you the spas, also the massagers. They just like chill out where there is no customers. I'll show you where they are.
Quite many offerings, you have to be careful how you walk. However, here is the Happy Tattoo and another Bali massage shop, and here is Baliku place. Yeah, what I can say, close, right?
Yeah, so as you see before.
However,
also,
the massage shop was open, and
massage shop is open, but the massage parlor, you know,
they was happy,
massages, they are
happy
just-
playing outside on the phones. But they are open, so if you are interested about massage, here we go. No queue, no waiting time.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll see how is the stuff.
Yeah, just like this guest house. As you see, beautiful guest house actually. Beautiful. Yeah, but nobody's there, I think. It's beautiful actually, like Balinese house. Seems empty. I don't know. This is one of the guest house that owned by Balinese. As you see, the typical of the house is like a Bali house, Balinese house,
But empty.
but empty.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say.
So, as you see, this one is called Endongan. Well, actually, this one is only, you know, offerings only happens when it's Kuningang time. So you put this offering in the cars, in the bikes. Yeah, beautiful. In the house, even.
So this area is more about the homestays. It's kind of cheaper part of Ubud, like a homestays, guest house, small warungs and stuff like this. However, even if it's the area cheap, nobody's here, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so some warungs are open actually, and then, yeah, as you see, not even white people like you walking on the street.
Oh, here is very nice.
This is Sunday.
Very nice small coffee shop, but very small. I will show you. Interesting.
Baby, like the stars, I've been a million miles away, but you've been in my heart, somewhere down all this time hidden away. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget it. I'm done playing the waiting game. I'm so done. I'm all done playing the waiting game. Don't wanna spend one night without your love. Don't wanna miss one fight. So listen, girl. I'm not wasting another minute. If it goes up in flames, I'll take the pain. If I never try to get it, I can just forget it. I'm done playing the waiting game. I'm so done, yeah. I'm all done playing the waiting game.
If I'm lost along the way, if I wander off onto a different trail, will you forgive me if I fail when I'm lost and derailed? If I cry when I'm blue, if I cry alone when I am with you, will you forgive me if I do? If I cry when I'm blue, through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strain, will you pull me through like you always do when I am calling your name, when I am calling your name? If I'm wrong when you are right, if I'm only seeing things in black and white, will you forgive me tonight? If I'm wrong and you're right, through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strain, will you pull me through like you always do when I am calling your name? Through wind and through rain, through trouble and pain, if ever my heart strain, will you pull me through like you always do when I am calling your name, when I am calling your name? If I'm lost along the way, if you find me in a state of disarray, will you hold on another day? If I'm lost along the way, if I'm lost along the way.
So guys, I just editing the video and from our Sunday trip to Ubud and also to property, and I just noticed this will be too long, will be over 35 minutes, so I think that's too much. I decide as I will finish the vlog and now I will put what we record the rest of the Ubud situation, and tomorrow will be the vlog from the property. Properties on the downtown of Ubud is quite impressive. They have a 2 hectare of lands, is still under the construction, is multi-million dollar development by the group of people from around the world. We got opportunity to show you guys around is super cool, super impressive. They have a plane inside the building from the World War II. So stay tuned, guys. Will be tomorrow from the property, and now enjoy the ride from the Ubud, Sunday morning from the Kuningang. Still very interesting, and don't forget to watch tomorrow's video. See ya, guys.
Show me what it's like to be circling among the clouds. Because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars. I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun staring at you when you make that smile. I'm moving closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day. And I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.